what's up? It's Warren from Teesside Barbell Club here. What I'm going to go through today is a mobility exercise that I've used to help my own hip mobility. Helps me squat deeper. It's called the full pancake, and to some extent most people can't get into the full pancake. I can't fully do it myself yet, but what I'm going to go through is the process of how I'm developing it at the minute. Now I'm going to use this kettlebell that's just to the side of my ear, and I'm going to use that as an anchor point. Now what people tend to feel when they're doing the full pancake is when they come out into this position, right, you're going to start leaning forward, and where they tend to feel it is behind the knees. So what you want to do from there is you're just going to bend the knees slightly, right? And what the focus is, it's not trying to lean as far forward as you can, like this. I'll show you from the side in a sec. It's more about getting the chest upright, so you're trying to drive the belly button through, keep the chest upright. Through doing this, what you're going to do is you're going to stretch the whole of the back. Right, so from the side, what that's going to look like, just move this mat over a bit. I'm going to put my feet nice and wide as I possibly can. I'm going to have my knees slightly bent, and then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hinge forward. Now what I'm going to do with the kettlebell is I'm not actually pulling it towards me, right, because that's just going to pull the kettlebell over. Now this is only an 8 kilogram kettlebell, so I wanted to highlight how easy it actually is. So what I'm going to do from there, my back's slightly rounded now, so as I pull up, I'm just using the base of the kettlebell as an anchor, and I'm going to lift my back up. Now I'm holding that position there, but I'm going to continue to breathe. Where I'm feeling this is just in the groin area, right? So as I lift my chest up, I'm just going to lean forward slightly. I'm going to hold this for approximately 10 seconds. And then after that period of time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly lean forward again. Again, I'm using the kettlebell as a slight anchor just to get the momentum going forward. And I'm trying to keep my back as flat as I can. I'm starting to feel it in my shoulder blades now. So I'm just going to rock backwards and forwards a couple of times, and then I'm going to hold this position again. This time I'm going to hold it for about 20 seconds. So I'm keeping my chest up nice and tall. And I'm pulling my heels into the floor as well as I do this, so I can feel it in the backs of my hamstrings. It's not pulling on my knee, I can feel it in the muscles of my hamstrings. My right leg's shaking quite a bit at the minute. After 20 seconds, I'm just going to rock backwards and forwards again. So I'm starting to get a little bit further over now and feel a little bit more tension in my lower back. Still keeping my chest up nice and tall, using that weight to pull me forward. In this final time, you can probably hear in my voice a little bit strained now. I'm just going to lean over even more, keep my chest up as tall as I can. Now I'm starting to feel it in my glute on my right side, not so much on my left because that one's a little bit more flexible. And I'm going to hold this position for about 30 seconds. Main thing here, remember, is to breathe all the time. Deep breaths, take deep breaths in. Don't have laboured breathing, don't have fast breathing, don't hold your breath. Deep breaths, so right into the belly of the stomach, and then you can lift your chest up a little bit more. Exhale out. And that's pretty much it. As a result of doing this, if you can do it every single day, all you need to do is just 10 seconds worth of work, leaning backwards and forwards, just rocking in and out of it. Do 20 seconds, again after that, leaning backwards and forwards, rocking in and out of it. And then you're going to hold the final part of it for 30 seconds. Good test to see if you can do it is just to sit upright like this. Right, you should be able to sit comfortable in this position. You should also be able to switch between the legs and sit comfortable in that position as well. If your knees are up like this, you're lacking rotation at the hip here. So if you work on that, give it about 7 days, see how it goes. Let me know in the comment section below.